This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 12 and we were discussing about mensuration. So let us begin with the sums today. So the first question of discussion is a shot put is a metallic sphere of radius 4.9 centimeter. The density of the metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the shot put. Now, the students who have doubt regarding whether nothing has been mentioned regarding what we need to actually find out, because they've not mentioned whether to find the surface area or we need to find out the total surface area or the volume. So for them, there's a hint for you to know that here we have been given density as per centimeter cube. Now we know that volume is measured in terms of cubic meters. That means we need to find out the volume. This is just a trick to remember, to know, and to identify what you need to find out. Okay, so we need to find out the volume of the sphere, and the radius given is 4.9 centimeter. Now once you find out the volume, you get 493 centimeter cube. Now you'll multiply the density and volume of the sphere to get the total mass of that shot put, because it's a combination of metal and the shape is a sphere. So your answer will be 3.85 kg approximately. Next question is a sphere and a cube have the same surface. Now show that the ratio of the volume of sphere to that of a cube is √6 is to root pi. Now main thing in regarding this sum is your calculation. You need to actually focus on what you are calculating. That is very important. So we need know that we need to find out the volume, where we need the radius also. So before that, we know that they have the same surface. Now let us assume that cube has an edge of A, and then we know that surface area of the cube, the formula is 6a square. Since both sphere and cube is having the same surface, so we can say that the surface area of a sphere is also 6a square. Now we know that the formula for calculating the surface area is 4 pi r square. Now we know that the formula for surface area is 4 pi r square, and we have been given the surface area as 6a square, which is equal to, we can write down as 4 pi, I'm just deriving the radius for you, 4 pi r square. Now r square can be written as 6a square by 4 pi. So most of you must have understood how your radius is going to come. So your radius will be, you can cancel this here, 2's are 4, and this one will be 2, 3's are 6. So your radius will be root over of 3 by 2 pi, and a square will become a, which will come outside your root. So your radius will be 3 by 2 pi a. So this is your radius of the sphere. Now since we have the radius, now we can find out the volume of sphere. So the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put down the values here, whatever you can cancel. When you modify this, you will get your answer somewhat like this. 2a cube is to √3 by √2 into root pi. Now you need to solve this. Once you solve this, you'll get this solution. Now we know that the ratio will be between sphere and cube, because it's written sphere to cube, so sphere and then cube. So once you solve this portion, you get √2 into √3 is to root pi. So your answer will be √6 is to root pi. I hope you've understood how to calculate. Just try it once, you'll get this answer. We have a cube of 4 centimeter which contains a sphere touching its sides. Now we need to find out the volume of gap in between. That means we have a sphere, we have a cube and a sphere. So this is how your cube looks like. Okay, just ignore my drawing. And then we have a sphere which is almost touching all the sides of the cube. Now we need to find out the volume. Now we know that the side of the cube is 4 centimeter, so volume will be 64 centimeter cube, and your radius will be half of the side of the cube, right? So your radius will become 2 centimeter because this entire length is 4, so radius will obviously be half of it. So you can find out the volume of the sphere also. You'll get 704 by 21 centimeter cube. Now we need to find the space that is left. Now the places which are not actually the space of the cube which is not touched by the sphere, we need to find out that portion. So you need to subtract 64, that is their volume, because cube is a bigger unit here and sphere is within the cube, so obviously the volume of the cube will be more, minus the volume of the sphere. You get 30.48 centimeter cube is the volume that is left. There's a gap between the gaps between the cube and the sphere. Last sum for today is the surface area of a solid sphere is 1256 centimeters square and it is cut into two hemispheres. We need to find the total surface area and volume of the hemisphere. Now surface area of the solid sphere we know is 1256. If you cut it into two hemispheres, so curved surface area of each hemisphere will be 628. Now we know that we need to find out the radius. Now surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Now when you put solve like this, like we did in the first sum also that we discussed, so your answer will be 10 centimeter. Now we know that the radius of the sphere is 10 centimeter. We can find out the total surface area of the hemisphere. So we know it is 3 pi r square. So this is your answer. And the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. It comes to 2009.31 by 3 centimeter cube. This is all we have from the video today. In the next video, we'll continue with the next exercise.